We'll guide you through how to use Google Lens. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You can follow this guide on an iPhone or an Android, it doesn't matter. So Google Lens is a really great feature and tool that Google has. It's got so many different great features. For example, we can go and reverse image search. You can go and find matches for an image. You can also even go and scan QR codes, amongst many other things as well. We're going to guide you through using it in this video. So make sure this full guide, step by step, so you go and know. So to get started, we need to go and get it onto our device. So go and open up your device's store. On an iPhone, that could be the App Store. On an Android, that's the Play Store. Press search at the bottom, then we can press search, and you need to go and type in Google. So the Google Lens feature is in the Google app. There's a chance that it will be already on your device. So you can find it here. I've already got it. If you haven't, you can get it, and we can then go and press open. Here we are. Now, what you need to do is to the right of search. So make sure in the homepage, first of all, in the bottom left, to the right of search, you're going to go and see the camera option, and you want to go and click on it. This is going to go and open up Google Lens. So what you can do here is you can go and take a picture right now if you want to. And then what you can do is you can go and have search set to the bottom or translate. So you can translate with this as well, which is useful. Or you can go and open up your gallery. So what you want to do is go and press on the gallery in the bottom left. You can go and easily access your screenshots at the top or go and browse all images. Let's go and say I wanted to go and scan this image here, which is the GuideRealm logo. First of all, go and select the area you want to do this with. If it was text, you can select that. Just click and hold those corner points. You can then go and swipe up like so. So you can go and use the AI mode, and it's going to go and give you some information here. Or you can go and select all at the top, which is what I'll do. And as you can see here, it's managed to go and see that the image is the logo for GuideRealm, a channel focused on how-to guides and tech tips. Select exact matches at the top, and you can scroll through here and find different results. If you took a picture of an item like a piece of clothing or device, you could go and select products. And it's then going to go and find products online, which you could go and get, which could be what you're looking for. It could be a coffee machine, something like that. You can go and look at visual matches as well. So go and find more results. You can go and find out about this image like so, and it'll then go and give you some info about it because it's about 4 years old. I'll press back in the bottom left. And then you can go and press search tools and you can go and see those different options you've got there. So alternatively, if you want to do this again, you can then go and swipe down, press the back button in the top left, and then you could go and open up the camera and take a picture of something else, or you can go and do something else. For example, I could go and select another image like this here, and then it's going to go and give you a bit of info about it. As you can see, it can go and identify the phone. So I could then find products, and I can then go and see the different options it's got here. I could press exact matches and other things as well. So that's it. Overall, it's a really great tool, and there are loads of different things you could do with it. To get back, you can press the home button at the bottom, and then we can go and open it again. So as I said, you could go and use a QR code as well to go and get to what the QR code's for, amongst other things as well. And if you try and translate something, press translate. You can detect the language and get it translated to English. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.